Thank you for inviting me to give the closing speech for this year's ExChange Wales Conference, where home is where the hurt is. We have been incredibly fortunate to welcome some great speakers today who have brought real insight to some of the discussion we've heard. It's only right that women should feel safe at home. Women should feel safe when they are out running, and they should be safe enough to walk in any public space. They should be safe within their workplace, and they should be safe throughout the day and in the night. However, this is not a reality many women and girls face. And I'm incredibly encouraged by the progress Wales have made, no more so than their work around bystanders, encouraging and empowering those around us who see the abuse firsthand and can help those victims and those at risk of identifying and supporting them reaching out for help. As part of that, Wales are committed and have worked with stakeholders as part of the new national strategy, where Wales have always been very clear about our ambition to end violence against women and girls. And that's why the Programme for Government commits us to strengthening the violence against women, domestic abuse, and sexual violence strategy. This 5-year national strategy, published on the 24th of May, was created alongside our key partner agencies and stakeholders. And these included the police, health services, very importantly, specialist providers, and of course, survivors of abuse. It's through this vehicle which our Programme for Government will be, that the commitment will be delivered. Commitment specifically around focusing efforts on eliminating the violence women face in the street, in the workplace, and the home. Making sure we can expand the Ask and Act and Don't Be a Bystander training and various awareness campaigns, ensuring we can help make the suffering reduce and harm as a result of violence and abuse. And also to make sure that Wales is the safest place in Europe to be a woman. The aims of the strategy are clear. Welsh Government will challenge the public attitude to violence against women, domestic and sexual violence across the population. So we create a zero tolerance to abuse. We will increase in children, young people, and adults of safe, equal, and healthy relationships, empowering them to make positive personal choices. We will increase the focus on holding perpetrators to account and offenders who commit abuse being brought to justice, supporting those who carry out abusive behaviour to change and avoid offending. Early intervention and prevention is key, and we will continue to make this our priority, ensuring relevant professionals are trained to provide effective and timely responses to victims and survivors. And we will continue to provide all victims with equal access to appropriately resourced, high quality, needs-led, intersectional and responsive services across the whole of Wales. The Welsh Government is currently in the process of recruiting a national advisor for VAWDASW. The outcomes of the process will be identified shortly. And without further ado, I just want to say thank you again for all of you who are working tirelessly on this agenda, which remains to be one of our key priorities going forward. Thank you.